Here is a detailed guide on how to use Yanhua Mini ACDP-II to clone a BMW N46 MEV1721 DME on a bench. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Today, we've got something exciting for you. So stick around and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Let's get started. Prerequisites. 1. Hardware. Yanhua Mini ACDP-II Programmer. Yanhua ACDP BMW-DME-Adapter X8 Bench Interface Board. 20-pin cable. DME, MEV1721, to be cloned.
Junpei capítol.
2. Software. A51C BMW ECU Clone Software License. Instructions. 1. Prepare the setup. Gather all required hardware, ACDP-II, 20-pin cable, X8 interface board, and DME. Connect the X8 interface board to the DME as per the specified connection method. This includes ensuring that the interface board is connected to the DME interface correctly. 2. Set up the jumper cap. Locate the CAN-R port on the X8 interface board. Short the jumper cap to the CAN-R port based on the marked position on the interface board. 3. Connect the devices. Connect the ACDP-II to the 20-pin cable. Connect the 20-pin cable to the X8 interface board. Connect the X8 interface board to the DME. Ensure all connections are secure and correct. 4. Launch ACDP-II software. Open the ACDP-II software on your device. Navigate to BMW ECU Clone, Bosch DME, X, N45, MEV1721, or N46, MEV1721. 5. Identify the original DME. Select the Identify option within the software to identify the original ECU chip information. Save the data obtained from the identification process for later use. 6. Backup the original DME data. Select the Full Backup Data option. This process will back up the original DME data, which can be stored and used later for cloning. 7. Connect to the donor DME. Once the original DME data has been saved, disconnect the original DME and connect the donor DME, MEV1721, to the X8 interface board. 8. Read the chip information. Read the chip information from the donor DME using the software. 9. Write the original DME data into the donor DME. Once you have read the donor DME chip information, select the original DME data file that you backed up earlier. Write the original data into the donor DME using the Full Write Data option. 10. Complete the cloning process. The cloning process is successful when the original DME data is fully written into the donor DME. Ensure the process completes without any interruptions. Additional notes. Safety and precautions. Make sure all connections are secure and correct before starting any operation. Do not interrupt the power supply or disconnect any devices during the operation. Follow all safety guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the process, double-check all connections and try restarting the procedure. Ensure the software license, A51C, is active and up to date. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully clone the BMW N46 MEV1721 DME on a bench using the Yanhua Mini ACDP-II programmer and related tools. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this dive into the world of automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.